It is Matt from The Random Maker, and today we get to see my shop torn apart. This was not done by me. Unfortunately, a has decided to cut a hole in my shop, tunnel their way through the wall, and steal a bunch of tools of mine. As of the recording of this video, I do not have a full inventory yet. That is kind of what I'm going to start doing as soon as I'm finished filming this. Why am I doing this? Therapeutic is one. Number two, yeah, no therapy, I think. I don't know how this video is going to do. Don't really care. This is more for me to show how some people just, yeah. Anyway, so I have a bit of footage backlogged. I don't know how long that footage is going to hold out because I'm not that far ahead. Because currently I have to probably deal with insurance. I do not know the extent at this stage. I know it is significant. I'm still going to lose a lot of money because deductible, loss of claim-free status, and I'm probably not going to get the full value of what I did lose because while there were quite a few tools you guys saw, there was more tools that hadn't been shown due to the nature of a lot of the work I do. And here's the problem. The Random Maker is not my full-time. Trawmonk Studio, not my full-time job. It is a part-time fun job. I teach trades full-time and this is like my side gig for fun. And we are in the season where I don't have extra work. And so to take a significant loss because of some person is not fun. I will have to say though, RCMP, Constable, amazing guy, professional, diligent, no problems there. But with these kind of crimes, I have very little faith. It's probably in a pile of other stuff right now as we speak. So I've already bought some basic tools essentially to install security cameras and other items to make my property less inviting. So I'm going to leave you with this. Be kind to your neighbors. Keep your eye out. Because unfortunately, I don't know when this happened. I have amazing neighbors, but they didn't see it, unfortunately, and their cameras didn't. I didn't have cameras because I didn't expect that section to be hit. And if you want to help the Random Maker out, I was eventually going to put a Buy Me a Coffee link as I've done below. I actually was thinking about it for a long time because a lot of these projects are expensive. I haven't made a dime off the Random Maker yet. I've actually dumped a lot of money into equipment projects because it's a hobby for me. But any help would be appreciated. And I will be doing something for those people who do donate. I just don't fully know. I know I will put your name in at least one video, and I might do something else depending on donation. I haven't thought it through. At this point, I'm just really frustrated, really angry, and I need to clean up a monstrous mess because this person was a pig and just pulled out drawers, looted through, and I have to put everything back because that's the only way I'm going to be able to tell if what is missing. All right. Well, unfortunately for this week, I am not going to say let's get making because I have to let's get cleaning on this and then do paperwork. Yeah. All right. Until next time. Let's get cleaning.